If your Christmas lights aren't working, it might be due to a blown out fuse or burnt out bulbs, often caused by connecting too many strings or incorrect voltage. Start by checking the fuses in the plastic box near the plug. They should be transparent, with an unbroken wire. If a fuse is blown, replace it with an exact match to avoid fire hazards. If only some bulbs are out, consider investing in a Christmas light repair tool, which includes features like a continuity detector and shunt repairer. If that doesn't help, you can trace the dead bulb using a non-contact voltage detector. Each bulb has a shunt that's supposed to keep the string lit when one bulb fails, but this can malfunction. For a DIY approach, a piezoelectric lighter can create a spark to potentially reset the shunt, but be cautious while handling it. Remember to always work safely, especially when dealing with electrical components.